Breaking news. Unmarked barges seized carrying heavy weaponry bound for Bentiu, Spla, accused of arms transport. Juba, South Sudan, May 10, 2025. In a stunning development, the Sudan People's Liberation Movement Army in opposition Spla has revealed that the barges recently seized along the Nile were loaded with thousands of light and heavy machine guns, drones, anti-aircraft, and anti-tank weaponry. The vessels, which were reportedly flying United Nations flags and marked with UN insignia, were intercepted en route to Bentiu. Sources within Spla allege that the shipment originated from Juba and was orchestrated by elements within the South Sudan People's Defense Forces SPIF, raising serious questions about government compliance with ceasefire agreements and arms embargo regulations. This was not humanitarian aid, but a clear act of militarization under the guise of the United Nations, a senior Spla official told reporters. The government is arming its forces in violation of peace agreements, risking the fragile peace we've all worked hard to build. Though details remain emerging, eyewitnesses confirm that the barges carried crates of ammunition and advanced drone equipment hidden beneath tarpaulins.
The reported transfer of heavy weapons by South Sudan through the River Nile to Unity State, Bentiu, has raised serious concerns, according to the United Nations mission in South Sudan UNMISS.
The UN has condemned the movement as a breach of the ceasefire.
The UN has condemned the movement as a breach of the ceasefire, especially given the history of conflict in Unity State. The escalatio could potentially destabilize the ongoing peace efforts. Such actions constitute a violation of the 2018 revitalized Agreement on the Resolution of the Conflict in the Republic of South Sudan RARCSS. This agreement, signed between the SPLM, SPLA government forces and the SPLMIO opposition, explicitly restricts the movement and deployment of military equipment and forces without prior approval from the Joint Defense Board, and the ceasefire and transitional security arrangements, monitoring and verification mechanism CTSA.